Good morning, Year 4, and welcome to your guided reading video for today. Today we're going to do things slightly differently. Rather than you watching the video and then writing the answers to the questions and sending them in on the emails, I thought perhaps it would be easier for you to have a go at reading the text with me now on this video, having a go at the questions and filling in the answers on this Google form, which you can then send straight away and submit it just like with your maths and science assessments this week. So hopefully that will mean that it's even easier than normal to get on with your guided reading. It might be a little bit quicker too. And then once you click submit, it is all done and handed in to me and I can see how we've got on. So hoping for lots of responses. Okay, let's read this together, shall we? I'll talk about the questions, give you a few little clues and hints to help you, and then you can fill in the rest of the form below with all your answers and submit it. Okay, the town of Egerim. Surrounded by glittering pools of fresh water, the town of Egerim stood alone in the vast desert. Tall palm trees lined the streets, and small sand-coloured houses sat dotted in groups. In front of one house sat a small cart that was piled high with colourful fruits. Even the sun, who usually acted so cruelly to anyone who tried to cross the desert, had taken pity on Egerim and had bathed it in a soft, gentle light. To the 4 weary travellers who were approaching the border, the town looked like a miracle. However, they were about to find out that in Egerim, not everything is as it seems. Ooh, okay, interesting text there. I wonder what Egerim is really like. So let's take a look at our 4 questions together and then you can have a go at them below. Number 1, how many travellers were approaching Egerim? Skim and scan, be looking for the word travellers in the text and you should be very quick to find out how many there were. Question 2, vocabulary here. Find and copy one word which means the same as tired. It's the same as tired. So again, skimming and scanning through the text so you can find that. Question number 3, would you like to visit the town of Egerim? Explain your answer. So for this, we're looking for more than just yes or no. We would like you to give us a reason why. So we're looking for you to use the conjunction that we've been looking at in Wednesday's English lesson of because. Okay, because. So yes, I would like to visit the town of Egerim because, or no, I would not like to visit the town of Egerim because. Now I'm torn here. If this was me, partly I might think, yes, I would like to visit Egerim because I want to find out more about it. It sounds really mysterious. And why is it not as it seems? But then also part of me is thinking, well, no, because what if it's really dangerous or frightening or scary? What if I never come back from Egerim? So see what you think and come up with an idea. It doesn't matter whether you say yes or no, but what is really important is how well and how clearly you explain your answer, referring back to the text and what we know about Egerim. Finally, question 4. In bold here, we've got this quote, not everything is as it seems. Why do you think that the author has chosen to end the text in this way? So again, it's another question where we're looking for your reasoning. You need to explain and use the conjunction because to reason your answer. So I think that the author has chosen to end the text in this way because, and be as clear as you can. Don't just put any old thing down because it's a good way to end the text. Well, that's not explaining anything. Why is it a good way to end the text? Be really specific. And if you know what the name of the technique is where you don't give the reader all the information, okay, so they don't know the ending, then write down that and explain why that's really good, a really good way of ending the text. Okay, so think carefully on these questions. You can go back and reread as many times as you need to, and then fill in the form for your quiz as well as you can. Okay, remember to type capital letters and full stops and try and get those spellings spot on as well. Okay, and then send it in. Off you go.
But your children